Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the series of videos where we are learning Python using an Android phone. In last few videos, we learned about functions in Python, and in this video, we are going to learn about list in Python. So how to append a value in the list, how to declare a list, how to remove a value from the list, and how to iterate through the list. So let's understand it better by writing our code. So let me create a new program, list.py. So let's declare a list, my list equals, and in this way we can declare a list, and list can be quite flexible and hold various data type. So let's add few values in our list. So let me give 1 comma 2 comma let me give Atul. It can have string, it can even have float. Let's give 1.1. So if I do print my list, and now let's save this, control X Y, and now let's run this Python list.py. So in this way we can declare a list and print the list. Now how to access values in this list. Let's say you want to print the first value or second value or the third value. So list starts from 0. So this will be 0th, this will be first, this will be second, this will be third, and so on. So if we want to print the first value, let's say, so I have to do it print my list, and we have to give the index. So for the first index would be 0. Now let's save this and try to run this. Control X and Y, and let's run this. So here we are getting the first value of the list. Now we will see how to append a new value in the list. So now let's say we want to add a new value here after 1.1. So to do that, we can do it by writing my underscore list dot append and our value. Let's say I want to add Sharma. And now if we print my list, and now let's save this, control X and Y. Now if I try to run this, see a new value is added to the list. Now we will see how to remove a value from the list. So now we will see how to remove a value from the list. So let's say I want to remove Atul from my list. So let's again edit the program. Now I will do my list dot remove, and I have to give the value which I want to remove. So it's Atul, and now at last I will print my list again. Now let's save this. Let's try and hit enter. Now if I run this, see Atul is removed from the list. So that's all for this video on list. In next video we will learn more about list, how to slice a list, and how to iterate through the list. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button, and for future videos like this you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.